Want to give your Canva designs a total makeover by tweaking the colors of your images? First, open your design in Canva, the one with the image you want to recolor. Click on the image. This will activate the editing options. Now, look for the Edit Image button at the top of your screen. Click on it. A panel will slide out on the left side of your screen. Scroll down in the Edit Image panel until you find the Adjust section. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see sliders for things like brightness, contrast, and most importantly, saturation and tint. Saturation controls the intensity of the color, and tint lets you shift the overall hue. To change the color, experiment with the saturation slider. Drag it to the right to make the colors more vibrant, or to the left to desaturate them, even turning the image black and white. The tint slider is your key to changing the actual hue of the image. Sliding it will shift the colors through the spectrum, allowing you to change a red apple to a yellow, green, or even blue one. Don't forget to play around with the other sliders like brightness and contrast to fine-tune the image to perfectly match your design's aesthetic. And that's it. Now you can effortlessly change the colors of images in Canva to create stunning and unique designs.